So I'm all the way in sparkling waters. Hanover. I got here last night and I was expecting, you know, the weather to be nice and good in the morning because legit type of shoot now. But the weather just look like it's just overcast and it's so hard to shoot these type of stuff when it's overcast. Today should be a fun day. I'm going to try and make the best out of it. I don't even know how the audio sounds right now. So I'm using the 7 Rhymes mic. First time using it, so I want to know what it sounds like from my usual Rode micro. Yeah. So I don't know what it sounds like, so probably when I go in the editing process I see what it sounds like and all the type of stuff there. But I'm going to give you a tour of the place. You get me? I'm gonna do breakfast right now. Unfortunately I can't give you guys any aerial shots because I never brought a drone, and the drone that is here, them have on the incorrect propellers. Like, well, I'll show you guys what I mean. Alright, so come take a tour of the space. Alright, so I'm gonna take a tour of the place, right? But let's pull up this. So this mic is really a directional mic, which shows, I'm not sure. So the mic is supposed to pick up back and front. So right now the mic is actually picking up the front part. So we'll switch off a button. I can now pick up back and the front when I have the mic switched on like that. So yo, the mic is really cool. So I'm gonna show you a tour of the place. Yo, Marty done pull up the place already. Must make it you know. Marty done pull up the place already. So this is the bathroom area. We have the kitchen right here. Nice kitchen. Cupboard, microwave, and the bedroom area. Yo, them said the place done pull up already. Yeah, the place done pull up already. So I think them use this for, like, you know, just in case mosquitoes and everything there. Be nice and make out a door. And outside is crazy. It's really crazy. Like that light here. So this is a saw. Like this feel like a 1-bedroom vibe. You see me? It feel like a 1-bedroom vibe. You see me? And but oh, outside is a bit bright, so I have to put on the end. I have to go and put on my ND filter.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
So you see how outside look? So let me just flick on this ND real quick. Yeah. So ND filter flick on. Whoa. Gotta breathe, just blow the door wicked a while ago. Alright, so turn around the camera. Look and watch it. Nice little swing. You see me? Look at the wave. Yo, the places have a vibe. You have one room right here. You have like a infinity pool right here. breakfast in the morning, yeah. So what's for breakfast?
Alright, we have ackee, we have bacon, we have sausage, fried plantain, pancake,
General.
fruits.
Wow. By the time I'm done, I can't have space for dinner.
Yeah, man, yeah, go have dinner, man. Dinner usually in 5, 6.
Breakfast. Ackee there. Pancake. Plantain. Then yeah, I have to eat up the fruits. I have to eat up the fruits. Which are fruits? Yeah, fruits. Coffee early in the morning. Look out outside, just nice, man. It's a beautiful day, eh? Oh, slightly look too bright. Still too bright. Yeah, man, outside still too bright. I don't know. I've already cleaned up the place. You see me? The great Shabba. You see? Of the great Shabba right there, so same look like Shabba, you see me? Baby Shabba.
Baby Shabba. Baby Shabba, man. I'm the gardener here. Sparkling water.
Alright.
One love, one heart, one destiny.
Alright, my G. Alright, table well ready and set up. You see me?
When I just come in, so.
Yo, so she cook her a piece of rice and peas last night, right? I set the rice and peas, it body. I say you and them bless. You see me? You and them bless. Some more learn how to cook rice and peas, you know? Well proper. Well decent. You see? Oh, so I'm show you why I can't fly the drone. So incorrect blades. Well, propellers I should say. So no aerial shot of this place. Would be lovely though. Yo, these lights. The room setup. Big fan. Nice TV on screen, on wall. It's a TV on screen, TV on wall. Place so set up decent. Alright, watch out, walkway. Yeah. Boom. Walkway. Nice. Da 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 da. I want a room and bathroom in another place, eh? And my room there, around this up somewhere. Alright, I think there's not much.
I'm a bit socially awkward, so I'm gonna have to get into it. So what do you want me to do?
Alright, so basically this, I'm not here. Right, so just I go walk along this
You have a
pathway.
music, man. You know have a boom
Yeah,
box?
but none of the inside?
I think I have a boom box.
Oh man, drop. Oh god, this is such a nice clip.
So what, just hold it?
Yeah, you can just turn it. It's over there, night.
You want to? Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, what am I doing now?
Yeah,
Same pose.
yeah, same, the same pose. Yeah.
Is it waterproof?
No, that's a little drizzle, that's fine. Alright, so this will be a close-up picture. Yeah. Ooh, I love it.
I love that one. That one is me.
Tell us you're natural.
You think so?
Yeah.
You want me to do this?
Yeah. Surprised you like your makeup look damn good.
Oh, thank you. You know I try.
No,
You
like
try.
tried. I've seen people who tried. I've seen people who tried and I'm like Let me see me say.
Behind the scenes.
So you left the house now that?
Hmm?
You don't see your face? Alright,
You see, last night you were telling me 5 minutes just to this. Yeah.
What
Alright,
time did you wake up to start your makeup?
so give me one,
I was up from 7.
give me one out here. Alright.
Out of the rain.
Yeah, can go inside and look at these. Alright, so I legit finished one part of the shoot so far, and we're going to get some food. I should be leaving here tomorrow. Oh, sky blown out, but they're not kind of there anyways. I'm just turning back side here. I'm really hungry. The place so far means in a KFC and I didn't know where run or something. But yo, channel come like this at the wrong time of month for shoot down them places because the rain is acting crazy. The weather does weird. So right now them the inside I try to figure out what them want to eat. Man, I love the glasses star. You have the Shabba glasses too.
Yeah, man.
One glasses.
Yeah, man.
Sure,
Yeah,
bossy. What you want, bossy?
Baby shop at work, man. Yeah, man.
And all of the hairstyles.
Yeah, man.
So we're supposed to touch road now. Oh, alright, I might at the right place. Oh, or just a bride. So we at touch road go Negril. Feel like a next long drive. Yeah, that journey just we could live so far in Jamaica, you know, like them part of Jamaica we just could live so far. Yeah, but bubble.
Every moment.
Try. Put a bubble like a chicken gravy, to curry gravy.
So I do a quick thing. Super blessed. What have I do?
Rich?
Yeah? Rich?
Yeah. You know your word. You know your words I'm already, man.
I know it, man. Alright, so we're going on the road right now.
Whoa, watch it. Whoa. Touch road and get something to eat.
I'm thinking of wrapping it over, but the red is kind of growing on me. I like the red.
I'm not
You
a
do?
red girl.
I might do black and then some nice interior. So nice.
Money.
We are at this spot called the Chill Pops. Yo, based in a. What's wrong with that again? We're doing a name again? No, the Westmoreland. Yeah, Westmoreland Negril.
Alright, so we're in Negril right now. We're at Chill Pops. This is a really nice location. It's a location with amazing scenery. You can come here, you can chill, you can bring your girl, you can come out on a date. You know, it's just a overall amazing vibe. I want y'all to check it out. We're blessed. This is the type of locations we're going. Hidden treasures. For real.
Man say hidden treasures.
Hidden treasures. We never know where they find it though.
Well, that's a true still. Now like the lighting. Watch the lighting. Yo, the lighting nice. Another space, yeah. The lighting nice. Yeah man, lighting proper. Really proper.
Yo, you see in life, you just have to do it. So if you want to live a certain way, like you want to be taking trips, you want to be like spending a certain type of money on a day-to-day basis without even having to worry about it. To be wearing certain type of kicks, you get me? You know, certain type of watch, certain type of drip. You just have to get up and do it. Remember guys, like I dropped out of school, you following me? I still can't get a job, I can't get a loan, I can't do that type of thing. But guess what? I create opportunities for myself, so I keep on push. I don't make because of my situation or because of my struggles, make me stop, right? I drop out of school, now I have a school where I teach people how to like get money on a day-to-day basis, how to level up, right? Drop out of school, I write a book, right? I write a book, and this is teaching people how to level up too and how to win on a different level. So you just have to do it. So it don't matter what you've been through, just get up and just do it, bro. If you want to live like this, you know, you're in a spot like this, just chilling. We're blessed. You see that we're blessed.
Good thing about this, you can just turn the mic here. Nice. Turn it to me. But today is like, today's what, Wednesday? Yeah, today Wednesday. Tuesday. Oh, today Tuesday. Yeah, today Tuesday. Yeah, the time for yourself. Fly, me like this day and something. Yeah, this one and you know. Alright, so suppose I head out shortly, forgot to truck a cove. And yo, it's like almost 8 o'clock right now, and yo, I'm a bit tired. I'm really tired, but I have to do it for the adventure, you get me? So I'm put Pmvnd, might go outside, and today looks pretty nice. Well, way better than yesterday because it's sunny. Yo, look. Oh, the sun just come out just like that. The sun just say, yo, hear what I say. Now come out today. And it come out today. Giano. Cause the morning just look nice, man. Watch it. Background nice. The sun is out. Can't believe that the sun come out. So nice. The sun just have laid through. Oh God, man. Oh God. Oh God. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Yo, look out this up. Yo, as much sugar jar enough, man. Got another one that we used yesterday.
Sometimes we have 14 people, you know, everybody in different locations.
Where go? So supposed to go swim, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna get my swimming things and put in the car. And should be fun. So ATV. I don't know what's next. I think I need to ask what's next. Alright. Yeah. Make sure I walk with at least 2 snorkeling masks, fin, snorkeling mask, GoPro dome, and then camera bag with my 1 towel night and 1 change of boxers and them type of thing there. And that should be it for me. So the outside, it's obvious with the outside. Where's the mic turn on? Yeah, so my fact continue to flip the mic back and front, but it worked out good still. I don't know how the audio sound, but just know that the audio is supposed to sound proper. You know. Yeah, wait. Don't know what the plan is yet. So I wonder if this fit properly on my face. Nice spot. So pre-say, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro because I can't bring this on the bike. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at the next place. I'm gonna play some music, which is very unfortunate. So I'll see you guys on the other side.
Crazy things are. Don't step on this door. Don't step on that.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
Oh, but it's
Pedro, do you want to drive this or do you want to drive a bike?
Bike.
Let me drive this.
So much there? Where does something I want, my G? Yeah, man. Hey. Super blessed. Super blessed. Super blessed. Outside, yeah? Bombard, it's like a ditch. Like a big ditch a while ago. Alright, so I think I'll be back on this. Okay, I think this lighting is perfect. So we're gonna go rafting right now. Trust me, today it's a vibe, like a fucking vibe. It's been a vibe. It's been a vibe. Shit. See, I'm about that car here. Alright, today has been a vibe. So we shall be going to, what's that side? Like Mobile side. Come dirty. You'll come dirty. This is what she wearing, guys. This is what she wearing. I was gonna say something, but she could probably vex some now, but I said.
Don't bother say it.
Don't bother say it.
Don't bother say
Alright. Yo, see this man? If this brother not dip on him phone, money now make. Ain't that right, bro?
You know the vibe.
1 hour up on the phone, all them dip on the ATV, man dip on the phone. Horseback riding, man dip on the phone. You see?
Check on the bag.
So the sky overcast again. You know, like. Yeah, mom, can say the rain I got tear, but hopefully it not tear that side still.
Prayers up his head.
Ice cream truck, yo. How you take it out?
Yeah. You not drive now? Let come more.
What is this straw for?
To drink your coconut while going down the river.
Oh, I'll keep it.
Yeah, it's a great souvenir also. If you look, you see the company name is engraved on it.
No, at least this not gonna melt now. Melt. That's a milk. That's milk now.
Bamboo, so remember you're going on the bamboo raft?
Yeah.
So that's a great souvenir to compliment.
Thank you.
Oh, I have to put on them something, you know? I too like wearing them thing, you know? Alright.
Just a show somebody down there to massage you.
I reach up Mckinnon. Alright. So, all this straw. I know. Come on, them give me them something for wear. Hello, man.
No.
Alright. Take my time I walk on. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun.
I will. Alright, let's stress some bug. Whoa. Ugh. Just some bug, right? So. Oh, no couple. I was just this another fin. This now is fin. That is a risky job. Alright. I have a raw for myself. I hate the life they say, but you don't know them say safety first. Alright, I'm feel lazy. I'm not swimming. Even though I have my fins ready, so. Because I was expecting a crystal clear water, but it's not crystal clear at all. This mic, okay, this mic is actually directional to me. So I was expecting a crystal clear water, but no crystal clear water. However, I shall be enjoying this trip and relaxing. Yeah, the pan tied on, man. Watch jerk, chicken and a yo brother, you bad.
Outside, I don't know where the boy Barabas is, you see me?
Barabas.
The Great River, you see me? Because we have some great chicken on the river, you see me? Fully active, you see me? Outside.
Man, I'll have bread and everything in the raft.
I don't know if you go down this way, you can see a bar down this way.
Man, I say bar on the river,
I mean, come down to the river. You have a kitchen now, you got a bar now, bro. Come out, clean up. Jamaica, we there now. What do you know about? I don't know. You have some liquor today. Today can have to shake it, but I don't know.
Oh, so if you want to feel a little high, I'll have that too.
Alright,
that
gas
good, man.
station we call it one day.
Gas station?
I mean.
Outside?
87 or 90. Fully active.
Yeah, man. You may learn enough history about that one river, I swear. You know. Yo, everywhere have a story. I don't know, so every story different. And as I say, every story different, everybody tells a story different. But the story that I hear, I could even put it on this because like it was kind of sad, the scene. Well sad. I know, the river, yeah. You know, I have to love life and live life. Yo, pre that truck here. Pre that truck here. Yo, the truck look. The truck like it there for from about 17 something. Truck old and look slick. Yo, pretty truck. Yeah, man, truck here look dope. So today is the final day that I was in the countryside. You see me, so I'm actually realized I'd never made an outro. Driving on the toll, and then I say, yo, look at the sunset. Can I get more light? I'm like, yo, look at this magnificent sunset. I'm like, yo, that sunset is nice. Like, sunset is nice, man. Yo, don't know. So I guess I'll see you guys in another adventure. I don't know where, I don't know when, but this is it. I'm out. Woo.